Hello students of grade 11 maths or applied maths. We're doing geometric progression exercise 9.3 from NCERT textbook. Question number 15. Given GP equal to 729, A is 729 and 7th term is 64, determine S7. So using this A7 is 64. Use the formula on the left side. A plus R, so not A plus R. AR6 is 64. Since A is 729, write 729 R6 equal to 64. So R power 6 equal to 64 by 729. R power 6, if you break this, we'll get 2 power 6, and this is 3 power 6. So we can write 2 by 3 power 6. 64 goes like 232, 216, 28, 24, 22. That's why 2 power 6. And 729, if you do, you get 3 power 6, okay? 327, 39, 33. So we're writing 2 by 3 power 6. So R is 2 by 3. You got R, you know A also. A is 729, R is this one. And then you can find S7 easily. S7 will be, since this is less than 1, A 1 minus R n by 1 minus R is the formula. Put the value. A is 729. 1 minus R is 2 by 3 power 7. Since n is 7, 1 minus 2 by 3. 729. This will be 1 minus 2 power 7, 2 power 7 is 128 by 2187. Here LCM is 3 minus 2. So you'll get 2729. If you do the LCM, 2187 minus 128, this is 1 by 3. 729. If you make it into, this will be 3 by 1 into, you subtract this. You get 9. $2059. 9 by 2187. Cancel it. 3 7 3 2 3 9. These two cancel. We're getting 2059. So this is your answer. Let's do question number 16. Find the GP for which the sum of the first two terms. So A1 and A plus second term A2 is given as minus 4. A will be A only, and A2 means AR equal to minus 4. Here A is common. 1 plus R is minus 4. Equation 1, okay? And the second part is the fifth term is 4 times the third term. So A5 is 4 times the third term A3. So put the value. A5 means A R power 4, A R square. Both side A cancel, both side R square cancel. So we're getting R square equal to 4. So R means plus minus root 4, that is plus minus 2. So we'll check when R equal to 2. Equation 1 implies A 1 plus R equal to minus 4. 1 plus 2. A. So A is minus 4 by 3. And when R equal to minus 2, equation 1 implies, equation 1 is this one. A 1, since R is minus 2, I can write minus 2. This is minus 1. So A will be minus 4 by minus 1. A is 4. So you can write the series now. GP in this case will be A is minus 4 by 3. R is 2. So multiply by 2, it will be minus 8 by 3. Then multiply by 2, minus 16 by 3. It goes on like that. Okay. Here GP will be, first term is 4 and R is negative 2, so multiply by minus 2. 4 2 is 8, again multiply by minus 2, 16 minus 32. It goes on like that. Okay, so your GP is ready. This is when R is 2, and this is when R is minus 2. Clear? So after getting the first term, multiply by 2 2 2 to get the GP. After getting the first term, multiply by minus 2 to get GP. Okay, let's do question number 17. If the 4th, 10th and 16th term of a GP are XYZ, prove that XYZ are in GP. So we have to find the value of XYZ first. So A4 is given as X, that means AR cube. X is AR cube. A10 is given as Y, that means AR9, A power R9 is Y. And A16 is Z, that means AR15 is Z. So XYZ will be AR cube, AR9 and AR15. Now we'll just find the ratio. I'll just use capital R. Divide these two. Cancel, we're getting AR6. Now divide these two. We're getting only R6. Since the ratio, common ratio is same in both cases, therefore X, Y, Z are in GP. Since the common ratio of these three are same, that means they are in GP. Let's do question number 18. Find the sum of the nth term of this sequence. Okay, so I'll just write 8 plus you're going to find goes on. Okay, till nth term. So we can take 8 common, so we'll get 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus dot dot till nth term. So divide by 9. If you divide by 9, that means you have to multiply each by 9. It will be 9 9 9 9 9 9. When you divide by 9, that means you have to multiply each by 9 till nth term. So instead of 9, we can write 10 minus 1. 99 will be 100 minus 1, that means 10 square minus 1. 100 is 10 square. Okay, and this will be 1000 minus 1, that is 1000 is 10 cube minus 1. This will be 10,000 and goes on till nth term. 8 by 9. All the 10s you can write together. 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 4 till nth term. minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 till enter. So this part I'm writing together, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. If I take minus common, it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 till enter. This is in GP. So formula is A R n minus 1 by R minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 till n term will be n only. Put the value here, n by 9. Here A is 10. In this series A is 10. And if you divide also, ratio is 10. Here 10 minus 1 minus n. So we're getting 8 by 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is your final answer, okay? Let's do question number 19. Find the sum of the product of the corresponding terms of the sequence 2, 4, 8, this and this. So first sequence is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And second one is 128, 32, 8, 2, 12, or 1 by 2. So you have to find the product. Multiply these two and add. 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into half. So you'll get 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. So if you see, this is in GP, okay? GP, or we can write this first. 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128 plus 256. So GP formula, sum of the GP formula is A Rn minus 1 by R minus 1. A is 16. R will be multiple of 2 is going, so ratio will be 2 power. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 2 power 5 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So we'll get 16. 2 power 5 is 32 minus 1 by 1. So I'm doing here 16 into 32 minus 1 is 31. Multiply this, that's your answer. 16 1 is 16. 16 3 is 48. 49. 496 is your answer, okay? So question number 20 is also similar. You have to find the product. First series is AR square dot 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 AR n minus 1. Second series is AR square dot 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 AR n minus 1. So find the product, sum of the product, okay? This will be these two, AA plus AA RR plus A. We're going to find whether they're in GP or not. So sum of the product. Oh, not the, just have to find the product, okay? Product will be AA ARR AA R square, and it goes on like that. AA Rn minus 1 Rn minus 1. We're multiplying these two, okay? Now we have to check whether they are in GP or not. Now if we find the common ratio, if I divide these two, we're getting AARR by AA. Cancel, we're getting RR. If I divide these two, also check. A r square by A r r. Cancel this. We can cancel 1. We're getting r. So common ratio is coming always same. So they are in GP. So sorry, you are going to find only the common ratio. Finish. Since they are in GP, the common ratio is this one. Finish. I'm going to do the second. Find the common ratio. Find the common ratio only. So common ratio is RR. Question number 21. Find 4 numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third is greater than the first term by 9 and the second one is greater than the fourth by 18. So as per the question, A3 is greater than A1 by how much? 9. That means A3 is AR square minus A. So A will be R square minus 1. This we can write equation 1. Second part is second term is greater than the fourth term. A2 is greater than the A4 by how much? 18. So we can write, or we can change the sign. A4 minus A2 will be minus 18. It means AR cube minus AR is minus 18. AR is common, so R square minus 1 equal to minus 18. This is equation 2. Divide equation 2 and equation 1. So when we divide equation 2 and 1, we'll divide left. AR R square minus 1 by A R square minus 1 equal to minus 18 by 9. This cancel, A cancel, you're getting R equal to, we can cancel this also, minus 2. R is minus 2. Now find from equation 1, find the value of A. Since R is minus 2, 2 square is 4 minus 1. So we're getting A into 3 equal to 9. 3 times we can cut. A is 3. So we got A, we got R. Your question is find the first 4 members. So GP, the first 4 terms, okay, will be A is 3. Second will be multiplied by 2 since R is negative 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Again multiply by minus 2. 12. Again multiply by minus 2. 24. So this is the first 4 term, okay. Like 3 into, first is 3, second will be 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Third will be 6 into minus 6 into minus 2 will be 12. Fourth will be 12 into minus 2, that is minus 24. So we got the first 4 series, okay. First 4 term of the series. Let's do question number 22. P, Q and R term of a GP are A, B, C respectively, and you're going to prove this. So P term is A, that means A R P minus 1 is A. Let me use capital A and capital R, okay, because you're using A and R. AQ is B, that means A R Q minus 1 is B, and AR is C, that means AR R minus 1 is C. You're going to prove this. So take LHS. Since A is this one, A is this one, so write the value A R P minus 1 whole Q minus R. B is this one, A R Q minus 1 whole R minus P. C is A R R minus 1 whole P minus Q. So if you have to share the power, this will be A Q minus R. If you remove the bracket, and R will be P minus 1 Q minus R. This is A R minus P, and the power of R will be this into this. And here A P minus Q, and here R minus 1 P minus Q. Since in 2 means we add the power, so we'll add the power of A, that is Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Similarly, we'll add the power of R, P minus 1 Q minus R plus Q minus 1 R minus P plus R minus 1 P minus Q. So this, if you solve it, you'll get A power 0, and if you multiply and solve this, this also will get power 0. Power 0 is 1, and that is 1. Hence proof. We got the answer, okay? If you multiply this to multiply and edit, the power will be 0. Everything will get cancelled. Power will be 0. So anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Let's do question number 23. If the first and the nth term of a GP is A and B respectively, and P is the product of n term, prove that P square equal to A Bn. So P is the product of n term, so P I can write A AR square, means first term, second term, third term, and goes on like that, okay? Since the last term is B, before B will be B by R square. First and the last term. Now find the product. If you write reverse, the first and the nth term of a GP is A and B respectively. So if I write reverse also, it will be answer will be same. B by R square. Since it's a product, the answer will be always same. Goes on. AR square AR A. Now multiply, this is 1 and this is 2. Multiply both 1 and 2. Left side will be P square, P square. This is AB. This R will get cancelled. Again, you'll get AB. Here R square cancel. You'll get again AB. Goes on like that. This also R square cancel. You'll get AB. You're getting AB till the end. That means you can say P square is till n term, okay? AB power n, okay? Since it's going till n term. These are till n term, okay? So AB power n. So your answer is done. Let's do question number 24. A, B, C, D are in GP. Show that. You have to prove this, okay? So if A, B, C, D are in GP, so A will be A, B is second term, so AR, C is third term, so AR square, and D is fourth term, that means D is AR cube. Now let us show that both are same. So I'll solve both sides, or we can do LHS. B square plus C square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. B square plus C square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. B square plus C square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. Put the value. A is A, no problem. C square plus D square plus D square. B is AR, C is AR square, B is AR, C is AR square, D is AR cube. So this will be A square plus A square R square plus A square R4. Here also A square R square plus A square R4 plus A square R6. Here A square is common, take out. So you're getting 1 plus R square plus R4. Here A square R square is common, so you'll get 1 plus R square plus R4. So this 2 is A4 and this 2 is same, 1 plus R square plus R4 whole square. Take RHS, AB plus BC plus CA CD whole square. Put the value, A is A, B is AR, B is AR plus, C is AR square, C is AR square and D is AR cube under 1 square. This is A square R plus A square R square plus A square R 5. So if I take the common, A square is common, but since square is here, when you take a common, this will become double, okay? So A square is common, it will become A4. R is common, when you take out, it will become R square. So what is inside? Only 1 plus R plus R4 whole square. So both sides is same, therefore LHS equal to RHS, okay? Insert 2 number between these, so we can write 3 G1 G2 81. So we can say A is 3 and A4 is 81. A4 is 81 means AR cube is 81. So we can cancel 27. R cube is 3 cube, so R is also 3. Now we can find G1. G1 is second term, that means AR. A is 3 into 3, 9. G2 is third term, first, second, third. So we can write AR square, 3 into 3 square, we'll get 27. So we got the number. Let's do question number 27. Find the value of n so that these are in geometric mean, okay? So geometric mean between A and B is root over AB, and this is nothing but root over AB. So we can write A power n plus 1 root over AB means AB half power is half. So A power n plus 1 plus B power n plus 2 A power half, B power half. Cross multiply. A power n plus 1, B power n plus 1, okay? This is 1. Equal to, if you multiply this, A power half, B power half, I'm writing as it is. If you multiply, it will become A power n plus half, B power half, B power n plus half, A power half. So we'll take A power n plus 1, bring this one on the side. A power n plus half, B power half equal to B power or minus b power n plus 1. So here common is a power n plus half. When you take half common, you'll get a power n is gone. Out of 1/2 is gone, so only a power half is left. Minus here, this is gone, only this is left. Here also b power n plus 1 by 2 is common. Here a power half minus b power half is left. Both sides we can cancel this. So we're getting a power n plus 1 by 2, or a power half. If you bring it down, b power n plus half equal to 1. So a by b power is n plus half common, equal to, we can write in place of 1, a by b power 0. Since the base is same, power also will be same. So n plus half will be 0. So n will be minus half. Okay. Question number 28. The sum of the two numbers is 6 times the geometric mean. So that the numbers are in the ratio of this. So let the number be a and b. As per question, the sum of the two number a plus b is how many times? 6 times the geometric mean. Geometric mean is root over, or 6 times gm. Okay. Geometric mean is nothing but root over ab. So you have to arrange it. A plus b by, instead of here you can put 3 and 2 root ab you can put arrangement. Okay. So if you multiply, you get the same thing only. Now we have to do by componendo and dividendo. What is the meaning of by and dividendo? Componendo and dividendo means we add this both sides on the numerator and subtract this on the denominator. So we can write a plus b plus 2 root ab, and here a plus b minus 2 root ab. Same thing we do here. 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So this I can make whole square. How? Root a whole square plus root b whole square plus it will be 2 root a root b. Downside also, root a whole square plus root b whole square minus 2 root a root b equal to 4 by 2. So this is nothing but root a plus root b whole square, and here root a minus root b whole square equal to, if we cancel, we're getting 2 by 1. If you remove the square, root a plus root b by root a minus root b will be root 2 by 1. Again we'll do by componendo and dividendo. So when you do componendo and dividendo, you have to add both. And subtract the denominator, and here root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. So remove the bracket, root a plus root b plus root a minus root b, root a plus root b minus root a plus root b equal to, so here this is cancelled, here a is cancelled, we're getting 2 root a by 2 root b. We can cancel this. So to get the ratio of a and b, we have to square this. So square both sides. Square here also. So when I use the square formula, you'll get a by b, and if you square this and solve this, you'll get 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Example I'm just showing here, no space, that's why I'm doing. Means root 2 square plus 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into root 2 into 1, that means 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2, that means 3 plus root 2. We get like that, okay, 3 plus root 2, and if we square this, we'll get 3 minus root 2. Hence we got the ratio, okay. Hence proof. We'll just skip and do some questions. Question number 30. The number of bacteria in a certain culture is double every hour. If there are 30 bacteria in present, means A is 30 and R will be double 2. So what they are saying, how many bacteria will be in the 4th hour? So 4th hour means beginning is 30, that means it's 0 hour, okay. First hour will be, what will be the bacteria at the end of second hour? So second hour will be AR2, okay, because 0 is the A, 0 means 0 hour means A, 1 hour means A2, second hour means A3, like that, it goes like that. So I'll just write second hour equal to A3, that means AR square, put the value, A is 30 into 2 square, 430 is 120. So 4th hour will be A5, that means AR4. A is 30 into R is 2 power 4, 16, 3 is 480. And nth R, AN, that means AN plus 1, okay, 1 more than this. So ARN, put the value, A is 30, R is 2 power n, so this is the answer. So you can pause the video and write everything. Thank you.